In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Wayfair affiliate, walking you through each step to join this fantastic program and begin your journey to earning through Wayfair's platform. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the entire process. First things first, we need to navigate to Wayfair's website. To do this, open up any web browser of your choice. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you are most comfortable with. Then simply type in wayfair.com in the address bar and hit enter. You should now be on the home page of Wayfair, where we can begin our journey toward becoming an affiliate. Now that we're on Wayfair's site, we want to search for the Wayfair affiliate program. To do that, locate the search bar, usually at the top of the page. Type in Wayfair affiliate program and hit the search button. You'll see a list of search results displaying various options related to our query. The next step is to click on the first link that appears in the search results. This should ideally take you to a page with information about the affiliate program. Look for official links directly related to Wayfair to ensure you're on the correct path. Once you've landed on the appropriate page, scroll through its content until you find a section titled About Wayfair. This part of the site typically includes more in-depth details about the company's offerings and affiliate partnerships. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this information, as it will give you a clearer understanding of what Wayfair values and how you can align your efforts as their affiliate. Continue scrolling until you find the Wayfair Creator Program link. This is the path we'll be taking today to join Wayfair's community of partners. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a page filled with exciting opportunities and more detailed explanations on how you can monetize your partnership with Wayfair. As you dive deeper into this page, you'll want to click on the Learn More button. This section typically provides comprehensive information about the program rules, benefits, and expectations. It's essential to review this thoroughly to ensure you're well informed before taking the next step. Finally, you'll reach the moment we've been preparing for, applying to the program. Locate and click on the Apply Now button. You might see this option once again, just to confirm you're ready to proceed. Clicking this will lead you to a sign-in page. If you're already registered with Wayfair, go ahead and sign into your account. If not, you'll need to create an account, which is generally a straightforward process involving your email and a few personal details. And that's it. You've now taken all the necessary steps to become a Wayfair affiliate, setting you on a path to potentially earning through their platform. Congratulations on this exciting new venture.